In this quick video, I wanted to quickly go over the purpose of this cryptocurrency bot and also go over all the features and show just how easy it is for users to automate their cryptocurrency investing using this software. So the main point of this bot is to automate your cryptocurrency investing. We wanted to make it as easy as possible for our users to consistently invest in the best performing cryptocurrencies day after day, week after week, and month after month. And the way we do this is by mimicking index funds from the stocks world. So I don't want to get too technical in this video, but at a high level, it's essentially the concept of index funds applied to cryptocurrencies. For example, you can tell this bot to invest in the top 20 cryptocurrencies by market cap and to periodically update or rebalance your crypto portfolio every day or every week or every month, etc. And our bot will go out, determine the best performing coins by market capitalization, and invest in those coins on a schedule of the user's choosing. So I hope you can already see the power of this here. If you're anything like me and you don't always have the time to be micromanaging your investments, this tool is great because you could come back in 3 months or 6 months, 1 year, 2 years from now, whatever, and this bot will keep you invested in the best cryptocurrencies over time. Now, with all that said, let me show off just how easy it is to use this app. So our app plugs into one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. It's called Binance. Users are free to make as many Binance accounts as they want, and we offer in-depth and detailed tutorials on how to do that. It only takes a few minutes to set up the Binance account for the user and connect it to our bot. So once they do that and add a bit of money to their Binance account, that's when our crypto bot can take over and do all the work on autopilot. So for example, right now you're looking at a little test account I set up for the bot. It's connected to a test Binance cryptocurrency exchange account with a few $1,000s in it. And by the way, you don't need thousands to use the bot or invest or anything like that. You can start off with as little as $100 to $200, but right now, the only cryptocurrency this test account has in it is Bitcoin. And you can see our bot is showing that here. We have a super nice and simple graph showing the user's investments, the total account value in dollars, etc. Now, right underneath that, we have the automatic investing template. So this section shows the user which coins their portfolio would be invested into if they were to update with our bot right now. As you can see, if I used our bot to auto invest right now, this test portfolio would be invested into Bitcoin, Ripple, and Ethereum, with each coin taking up about 1/3 of our portfolio. And this is because these 3 coins are the largest cryptocurrencies by market cap as of right now. But let's see how easy it is to change these settings. So underneath this, we have our automatic investing settings. And here we have quite a few options to choose from. So let's quickly run down the list. The first option obviously is to enable or disable the automatic investing feature. It's like an on-off switch for the bot. Pretty self-explanatory. Next up is the portfolio type, and users can choose between equal or weighted. So it's probably easiest to show this visually, but equal just means that each coin is going to get an equal allocation in your portfolio every time the bot does an update. So right now we have it set to equal, and you can see in the automatic investing template, each coin will take up about 33% of the portfolio. The other option is weighted, and this essentially allocates the amount that each coin will take up based on that coin's percentage share of the total market cap. So I know that's kind of a mouthful, but let me just click the update settings button and you can kind of see visually what I'm talking about. And now you can see in the automatic investing template, Bitcoin, because it has by far the largest market cap in the crypto space, is going to get a 70% allocation in our portfolio. Ripple will get about 16% and Ethereum 12%. So hopefully that quick description makes sense. Next up in the settings are our time settings. And here the user can choose to update their crypto portfolio every day, every week, every 2 weeks, every month, every 2 months, every 3 months, and we do have more options coming in the future. So this is pretty straightforward. This is really up to the user, whatever their preference is here. But if they choose every week, for example, then our bot will update their crypto portfolio into the top, say, 5, 10, or 25 coins, whatever they choose every week. And that brings me to the last setting here, which is the number of coins they want to invest in. So for example, right now we have this set to the top 3 coins. Let's update this to be the top 25 coins, for example, and see what happens. So now you can see that our automatic investing template has updated to show the user exactly which coins their portfolio will be invested into if they did a portfolio update right now. So now you've seen all these settings. Let me actually show you the app at work. So let's say I wanted to automatically invest in the top 25 coins and I wanted to use the equal portfolio option and I wanted to update my portfolio every 2 weeks. So I'd set those options and also enable enable the automatic investing setting, and lastly click that update settings button. And after that, you can see my crypto portfolio will be updated into the top 25 coins on the 3rd of December. 2 weeks after the last portfolio update, which was earlier today. But what if I wanted to update my investments using the settings I just chose right now? Well, it's as easy as clicking this update portfolio now button. So let me click this option and you'll see we get a little message saying my portfolio is queued to be updated, and it may take a few minutes. All right, so it's a couple minutes later and you'll see my portfolio is updated into the top 25 coins by market capitalization, and our portfolio will do another update on the 4th of December. And it will keep consistently investing in the best cryptocurrencies on complete autopilot for however long the user chooses to use the app. So again, this is like the lazy man's crypto investing bot. No micromanaging or anything like that. No need to constantly stay on top of your investments. However, there is one last powerful feature that we just recently added, and this is perfect for those power users that like a little bit more control. So you may have heard that recently the crypto markets, and well, finance and stocks in general, they've experienced some drops across the board in terms of prices. So if a user is concerned about preserving their capital, their money, and wants to sell out of all of their coins for a little bit and sort of weather the storm, so to speak, how do they do that? Well, this is an issue that I actually ran into in the past, and it's why I developed this feature I'm about to show you. So essentially, if you're invested in 25 to 50 cryptocurrencies and you predict the market is about to drop, what's your solution? Are you really going to go and manually sell 25 to 50 cryptocurrencies every time you think the market is going to dip a little bit and then rebuy into all those cryptocurrencies once you think the bottom has come in? Well, if you're anything like me, that sounds like a massive hassle and a huge time sink, and that's why we developed this Tether feature. So Tether is essentially a cryptocurrency known as a quote-unquote stable coin. It's pegged to the value of $1. So essentially one Tether is always going to be worth $1 despite whatever the rest of the crypto markets do, regardless of Bitcoin's gains or losses, etc. So the crypto exchange that our bot plugs into, Binance, uses Tether. So again, if the user foresees the crypto markets dropping, we can quickly move our entire portfolio into this cryptocurrency known as Tether, weather the storm, so to speak, wait for crypto prices to stop falling, and then just as easily move our entire portfolio back into the top 25 coins or the top 5 coins, whatever we desire. So let me show that in action too. So you can see we're still in the top 25 coins here in this test account. So let's scroll down to the Pro Features section, and it's as simple as clicking this Tether Up button. Again, we'll get a message about our portfolio being queued up, and it may take a few minutes. And a couple minutes later, you'll see that our entire portfolio is now in Tether. So essentially, regardless of what the crypto markets do, if Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, etc., if those coins go down in value, this portfolio is invested into the stable coin USD Tether now, and is going to keep its value relative to the US dollar. And again, it's just as easy to move back to the coins you want. So let's go down and click that untether button. And here we are a few minutes later, and you'll see that the portfolio was moved back into Bitcoin, and we can now choose whichever settings we want and update our portfolio into however coins we want again. So that's pretty much the bot in a nutshell. Hopefully you can see just how easy this makes it for people to automate their cryptocurrency investing. Thanks for watching.